डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम A फॉर एप्पल, B फॉर बॉल ऐसे ही सारे अल्फ़ाबेट्स A to Z को सीखेंगे। तो जैसे जैसे मैं बोलूँ आप सभी मेरे को फॉलो करना। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। A फॉर एप्पल, मेरे साथ बोलो सभी। A फॉर एप्पल। B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for grape, G for grape. H for horse, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for juice, J for juice. K for kite, K for kite. L for lock, L for lock. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for notebook, N for notebook. O for orange, O for orange. P for pencil, P for pencil. Q for quiet, Q for quiet. R for rose, R for rose. S for shoes, S for shoes. T for tomato, T for tomato. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for vegetables, V for vegetables. W for watch, W for watch. X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree. Y for yellow, Y for yellow. Z for zip, Z for zip. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lock. M for monkey. N for notebook. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for white. R for rose. S for shoes. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for vegetables. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yellow. Z for zip.